Hey guys, good morning. So we're moving out of Vicky's new old apartment into the new one. So the movers are doing their thing, but this is like kind of the reason why our trip got delayed and all that, because we had to move. We literally had to move for real. So yeah.
We are not alone, we're going home. No pain will last forever. Let's look at the stars high in the sky. Believe that there's no limit. We are not alone, we're going home. No pain will last forever. Let's
Hey guys, so today I'm leaving Lagos and it's traffic. Yeah, I'm waiting for my ride. You guys, I'm looking very crazy, but who cares? It's the forehead spirit. Who cares? Not me. You shouldn't either. So yeah. Okay, so I'm ready. Quick outfit of the day. These biker shorts, palms, because you know I ain't about to pull no sneakers. Okay, I have to check.
Let's look at the stars high in the sky. Believe that there's no limit. We are not alone, we're going home. No pain will last forever. Let's look at the stars high in the sky. Believe that there's no limit. We are not alone, we're going home. No pain will last forever. Let's look at.
Hey guys, so I'm at the airport already, and I literally got here in less than an hour. I know. I just couldn't trust Lagos traffic. If I'd known the road would be a little bit free, I probably would have waited till say 2. Yeah, 2 or 2 thereabouts to get here. But this is like just 1 p.m. and I'm already here for a 4 p.m. flight. After I don't lose my mind, I really pray I don't lose my mind, seriously, because I'm going to be hungry, very hungry.
Look at the stars high in the sky. Believe that there's no limit. 爱，希望与爱从未离开。阳光终将会驱散阴霾。别怕孤单，家一直在。
birthday gift you coming through, guys. My sister got me this foundation, guys. I've wanted this for so long, and then she got me this makeup fix spray from Makeup Beauty, Kiss Beauty rather. It is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to open this. Ignore my nails, you guys. But yeah, can your sister ever? Okay, so I just opened this, you guys, and wow, this is such a gorgeous bottle. Oh my god, it has a pump. Pow, look at this, you guys. It's in the shade Autumn. This is from Adventure Superstay. So I've opened this, and look at this. This is, ooh. So normally I would spray my beauty blender with water, but now I'm just going to use this makeup spray to spray my beauty blender to blend in my foundation. So let's get into the slay. Okay, so this is the shade of this foundation. Can you see that? I'm gonna try it on my face now.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have.
Hi guys, so this is a Fulani wedding. This is my outfit for today. You see that? I'm wearing a pair of flat shoes. These are new and but yeah, guys, this outfit ruined my hair. Trying to make this thing get into my head was just a hassle. It's gonna go down besides here, but yeah, this was happening right now. I'm looking kind of crazy, I know. Welcome, sir. Thank you, dear. So face masks, there's COVID. Y'all think I look. These are the ladies. Can you see their outfits? Yeah, that's what we're all wearing. It's crazy. I know. And this is mine. Trying to go drop my bag. I put my phone in here because I gotta keep my phone close, you guys, and my cash. I don't want to lose that. But this is a beautiful park. So look at the view of this place. It's gorgeous. It has a nice restaurant here. That is the A-class restaurant. It has one really nice restaurant there. Not been there though, but I've seen pictures and all that, and I've got people who've been there, and they say it's a cool place. So I'm guessing, yeah.
Event planner, can the picture stop already, please? Our time is fast spent, please.